It's us.
In the back with you, I got no problem because you ain't doing me a favor.
All right.
I don't have a problem anyway. So.
That boy had too many drinks. What's up? What's up, Richard? What's up, Richard? He about to sue somebody. He got the suit on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Richie went to go pump his bed?
I think so. We out here. We out here. We out here.
Oh, that's the No, the door's on the other side. Oh, okay.
How many Israelites does it take to mix a tent?
Me and my ribs.
Yeah, that's what you do say. Damn, bro. Nah, does Sarah want to eat, bro? Go ahead, go ahead. Oh. Yeah, we can't see him. Hey. That's what I look like. All right, here you go. Boy, that was fresh. That was fresh. Let me see if I can jump. Wildlife.
The cop probably asked if it's on us or something. We got a volleyball too.
Day one, officially. Full day at least. Day two. Since yesterday that we got here. Man still eating the grapes. Come on now.
I was asleep. Nobody called. Wake me up.
Southern South African people tribe. They're like the super. You gotta remember to turn the sword. Keep in mind, this the go low. The reason why you're going low because whatever the person's doing, you're
That boy trying to cut somebody.
Bring out here, up, cut, back.
God.
See? And notice. The reason why you don't put it back right away and you always hold at the stock is because you're looking what's going on here.
They do that in real Chinese movies.
And you've got to keep falling back and cut. So it's so after
So you
here,
see
I
that?
go
That's
cut,
hard right there.
and
When you
I
do it
go
over your
here,
head.
Cut here, cut. And I've got a pin in my toe, so I'm going to be paid tonight. That's for sure. So that's how you do it. And then what you do to bring it back, you flick it, bring it back,
See, that's tough
and
right
slide
there.
it back this
That's
way.
hard. Yeah.
And then even if you don't slide it back,
Yeah.
you still cut off and cut that.
Make sure you send me.
All right? But with this, keep still.
Done.
See? Can't touch it because practice.
For the bras.
And this is what you should always practice.
Con. Sergeant Mikael.
Slice.
No,
His foot hurt on me.
the pointed blade is
Nice
not the sharpness of the blade. You don't ever have it down.
I gotta practice at home.
unless unless you do a certain move, because you have to have your hand in a certain position. If the blade is here, you don't take the blade out like this. You take it out like this. But the blade is there. So, cut it this way.
That's hard.
I can't do that with my toe. Why? Because you see, when you pull it out here, you see the blade is up. You know the blade is up because, oh, you see? If he holds it this way, and the reason why you've got to know the hand grip, you know how he's going to cut. Captain, just move back because this one's very sharp. Yes, sir. If with this one here, again, if I go low here and from here, and remember, the one thing you've all missed in me doing this, you haven't noticed the fact that I don't do this.
Con.
Because I'm not pulling the blade out, but I'm taking this back. So it's see, and that's why it looks like I've taken the blade out so quickly. And you think, boy, no, Pastor's not bad. Pastor's just using the tricks that they use, which is you pull this back. Here you pull this back. You see? And you find someone that pull it back and they'll stand like this. And they're waiting because from here, again, you cut in. From here, you're cutting, and from here, you're cutting. Remember, everything is in a circle. You see? That's the way that you work with it. So, but again, this needs a bit of balancing. Who's it?
Mine.
Right, it needs balancing.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta sit up. Because this is it's off balance.
Right.
I tell you why it's off balance, because the blade is good.
Right.
The stock.
Not so good, yeah.
No, because the stock needs to be slightly longer.
Right.
Because I'm doing it and it throws you off.
Right.
A good balanced blade, especially excuse me. Especially if I draw it this way, if I'm drawing it this way, because all my cutting is going to come so, see?
Right.
But it's too heavy. This is going down.
Exactly, yeah.
See? Now, how they would do it, they'd put more metal up here and strap it up.
Right.
And then when they put the metal, they strap it. So once you hold it here, so there's no longer this is heavy, but it's balanced.
Right.
You see? But then you could also cut across the waist where you use this and you're spinning and cutting. You could do all of that. But anyway,
Shalom.
Shalom. Eliyahu in the mix.
Yes, sir. Oh, sisters, the man eat first, brother.
I was trying to be. Are you recording?
Got you. Got red-handed. He said man ain't eat first.
Yeah, man ain't eat first.
You want to come back?
Instagram, he good at it.
Isaiah, you good?
Oh yeah, man. I'm just sitting here chilling.
Oh, he eating good. You got the wisdom, fam.
I'm beating Johnny.
You got the wisdom.
With the most gray hair. Wait. I think I got Isaiah.
Right, yeah. Huh?
Did I give you money too?
I miss you too, fam.
You got me you messed it up.
Right. You got
It's fine.
Huh? We doing one today. What's up, family? Detroit family in the building? Yes, sir. Okay, Mons? Okay.
I don't know what wine this is, but it's good though.
Okay. All praise.
It's the snow. He just the snow like this. He's like, ooh, that's cold. Like, this is like, you never seen snow or something? It was so cold. He was like, it's so cold out here.
My boy Freaky over there.
Who made you this?
I got clean over here. I gotta get you on that Instagram now.
I want to give all praise to y'all. I want my show y'all was shot.
There you go.
Feast of Tabs, the last great day.
Okay.
Out here.
Hey, y'all just
Bro, the ring hard too, bro.
that boy on that wine. What's up, King?
He just took out the trash.
That boy done. Damien done over there. Need a refill over there.
Leave it alone. Leave him alone.
What's up?
Much more prepared than we were this year, right? Because this was my first time, you know, really being out in the wilderness, really learning how this thing goes. So next year,
She took the phone.
too late, huh?
She took the phone. I didn't mean for that to happen.